up remotely. Catherine, are you there?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yep. State your name, who you represent. You have 2 minutes today for public testimony.
Chairman and committee, my name is Catherine Hartley. I'm an attorney for the Pacific Justice Institute, and we applaud the content of this memorial and encourage you to vote in favor of it. As outlined in the memorial, from a constitutional standpoint, it doesn't matter how compelling the arguments may be to extend marriage to include same-sex marriage. You've heard many of those arguments today. The legal argument to make such an extension at the U.S. Supreme Court level is non-existent. Defining marriage is a state issue, as it is not enumerated in our federal constitution. So a state's decision to maintain the meaning of marriage that has existed in every culture throughout human history is not only legal, it makes a lot of practical sense. Different states may absolutely elect to expand the definition of marriage to include something different or to maintain the historic and traditional definition. For example, in 2006, almost 2 decades ago, Idaho voters overwhelmingly approved a state constitutional amendment limiting marriage to exclusively between a man and a woman. And states like Idaho should not be forced to ignore this. Modifying the traditional definition of marriage is a policy goal in search of a constitutional justification. The state legislature should be free to debate all of these things and all of the pros and cons of changing this definition, modifying this definition, without being subject to top-down, overreaching judicial policymaking. We encourage a yes vote on this. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Hartley. Are there questions for Ms. Hartley? Seeing none, thank you for your testimony.